This is a very worried CEO. He has many problems. He runs a growing company that's entering new markets and seeing more demand for its product. But the company cannot handle the growth. Its infrastructure is failing to catch up. It has problems in tracking raw material, production, inventory, people, and in delivering product.
I've got it. I'll get an ERP.
Not a good idea, sir. ERP can cost anywhere between rupees 40 lakhs to 2 crores. And if you add the cost of implementation, installation and data migration, it could mean 3 to 4 times more than the original cost.
Not only that, sir, there are so many stages to set up an ERP. Development, staging, testing and production. You'll need a new data center, server, storage, network, office space, power, cooling, bandwidth.
Plus, implementing an ERP takes anywhere between 8 to 18 months. And you don't have that kind of time.
Also, with every ERP comes a team of IT experts. And guess who will have to pay for them? You! And anytime there's a new upgrade, your entire system has to change. And guess who will have to pay for that? You! And even if you don't need upgrades, you can be sure the big ERP vendor will still thrust them down your throat.
And don't forget, every time there's a problem with the ERP, you have to go back to the vendor. And that'll cost you too. Son, let's face it, you just can't win with an ERP.
Sir, why don't you try ERP on cloud from Ramco? They have a simple, scalable, affordable ERP on cloud called Ramco On Demand ERP.
But won't I have to invest huge amounts in a data center, on people, on facilities?
There's no capital expenditure. It's all maintained centrally. It's called a cloud because your ERP and data is in Ramco's server. Oh, I wish it was around in my time.
But what if it takes months to implement? I don't have the luxury of time.
Ramco's cloud ERP will be up and running in just a few days.
What if it costs me all my profits?
Ramco's on-demand ERP will cost you about rupees 4,000 a month. It's a predictable price based on subscription. You know how much you're going to pay.
I bet the modules won't be as comprehensive as traditional ERP.
Ramco's on-demand ERP has all the modules of conventional ERP. Sales, finance, accounting, human resources, supply chain management, services management, analytics, CRM, cost planning and control, manufacturing, and you name it, sir, it's there. By the way, have you finished your tea, sir?
SaaS, cloud, it sounds like it will be very complicated to use.
Even a child can use it. All you need is an internet connection, your login and password. You get connected to the cloud. You can do this from anywhere, anytime. Even from your mobile phone.
But maintenance?
No maintenance at all, sir. It gets automatically maintained and upgraded. No cost, no hassles for you.
Aha, I got it. It can't be secure. Cloud ERP can't be secure.
Son, your data will be more secure than your money in a Swiss bank. Ramco has 15 years of expertise in ERP. They've built a robust, secure, agile ERP on cloud. It's like a building where different businesses share space and enjoy the same security.
Miss Bipasha,
Sir,
I have the answer to our company's problem. Cloud ERP, Ramco's on-demand ERP.
that's what I'd suggested, sir. But what made you decide on it?
I'm a smart man, Miss Bipasha.